Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 148 of building the Delorean from Back to the Future. This issue, we are building another sleeper. You know it was going to happen. We've got a few more to go. So, yeah, we've got to put it together. Same as last time. Attach it onto there. Yeah, we'll attach the other couple of chairs to that rail and then wait for the next rail to turn up. So, yeah, we'll get there. The Godfather of Time, Part 3. Still looking at Bob Gale. Interesting stuff for you to read if you so desire. And yeah, another bolt from the skies. Yeah, don't want to get struck by lightning. No, that would be a bad thing, wouldn't it? Yeah, there we go. Next issue is the other rail, so we'll get to that. Then we're still looking at Gale next time as well. Let's get this other sleeper built. Yep, so there's the sleeper. There's the chairs to attach to it, and obviously the brackets on there as well. Get that done on there with these screws. Going to be using lots of these screws, so I might as well just get a pile of them out. We'll see how it works. We'll put these in there. I would apologise for showing you the same stuff over and over again, but it's not my fault. It's the nature of this part of the build. The box stuff is all new and different and interesting, but unfortunately, this stuff has to be done because we do need the rail. Well, for the display, you need the rails, and they come as parts, so you've got to build them up. That's just the way it goes. Just the way it is. Some things will never change, famously said in the song. So let's get that attached to the ends there, just like you've seen before. While you're getting bored watching this, there are other part works that I'm taking part in and building, so feel free to stick around and watch one of those later. Everything from Optimus Prime to Kit to Robocop and what am I doing? The GT40, the Ford car. So yeah, there's always stuff to watch. Keep you amused for a little while longer. If you do want to help the channel out, then consider becoming a channel member just by clicking the join button below. You can get early access to certain things and occasional behind the scenes facts, info. I do some polls from time to time as to, asking your opinion, and your opinion as a channel member basically matters more to me than someone who's not a channel member. So if you want to help influence the channel in interesting ways, that's one way of doing it. And obviously any help you offer is appreciated anyway. Even if you don't want to become a channel member or a patron, then just watching the channel, liking and subscribing, leaving an occasional comment is always much appreciated. So thank you very much for being here, giving me your time and attention. So that's got those attached on there, like what it said not to. That one isn't. It didn't feel like that was going quite right, but it did feel like it was going somewhere. Apparently, it wasn't. Now it is. That's going somewhere this time. So there we have that. So we need to attach it to this, just the same as we have many times before, and we'll be doing several more times in the coming weeks. That attached to that, bit like that. There we go, that one and that one. I think I might need to dig into my stash of spare screws to attach the rest of these chairs to it as well. But as ever, I've got plenty of those. They do supply extra screws in almost every pack. So while I've been building these, you can see the pile of screws building up over the back there. When I've finished a pack, I tidy them up and put them away. But that's that. I'll get those tightened up in a moment. But before I do that, let's get these attached. And then I can bring in the other rail, and that will hold in place a little bit better than it is at the moment. That one there. No, I think there are enough screws in there to do it, and some spare ones as well. Always good stuff. That one there, that one there. And there we have it, ready for next time when there is the 4 chairs for the other side and the rail to put into that. I've got the rail from this one that I have here. So that will go in there. A bit like that. It's getting there. It's getting quite long. So yeah, one more rail to add to that, as well as obviously 2 on the other side. And that's that. So thank you very much for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.